Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical blender for the kitchen, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Blender for Kitchen, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best blender for kitchen from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, Professional Grade. Experience pro-level blending with the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, a kitchen essential designed for ultimate performance and durability. With 10 variable speeds, you can fine-tune textures from silky purees to chunky soups with precision. The 48-ounce container is perfect for small family meals, while the Pulse feature gives you control to layer flavors and texture. Its hardened stainless steel blades are powerful enough to crush even the toughest ingredients, ensuring consistent, high-quality results every time. Built with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system, the E310 stays cool under pressure. Cleaning is a breeze. Just add soap and water, blend, and it cleans itself in 60 seconds. From smoothies and soups to nut butters and frozen desserts, this professional-grade blender handles it all. Crafted to last up to 10x longer than the average blender, the Vitamix E301 is a true investment in your kitchen. Enjoy fast, flavorful, and fuss-free blending with Vitamix. The difference is in the blend. Number 2. Ninja Blender, 4 functions for smoothies, processing dough, drinks, and more. Mega Kitchen System. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, a powerful 4-in-1 blender that does it all. Blend, mix, crush, and process with ease. With 1,500 watts of performance power and a 2+ horsepower motor, it effortlessly pulverizes ice in seconds using the 72OZ. Total crushing pitcher, perfect for creamy smoothies and frozen drinks. The 8-cup food processor bowl chops evenly and kneads up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Enjoy on-the-go convenience with 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups and lids for quick, nutrient-packed drinks, including stacked, dough, chopping, and Nutri Ninja blades. Handle any recipe with precision. Plus, with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is a breeze. This all-in-one kitchen solution even comes with a 31 recipe inspiration guide to spark your culinary creativity. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, kneading dough, or prepping meals, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is your ultimate blending and food processing powerhouse. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Commercial Triple-Spindle Drink Mixer, 3-speed universal motors, hands-free operation. Upgrade your beverage station with the Hamilton Beach Commercial Triple-Spindle Drink Mixer, the ultimate choice for high-volume mixing. Designed for performance and durability, this powerhouse features 3 1x3 horsepower motors, each with sealed, permanently lubricated ball bearings to minimize vibration and ensure long-lasting reliability. With 3 adjustable speeds and a pulse switch, it offers precision control for milkshakes, smoothies, and more. Enjoy hands-free operation by placing mixing cups into the upper-level cup rest, which automatically activates the motor. Perfect for busy service environments. Built with heavy-duty die-cast metal housing in a sealed rear design, this mixer resists water damage and is easy to clean. The dishwasher-safe cup guide and smooth exterior simplify cleanup, while non-skid feet ensure stability. Includes 328-ounce stainless steel cups for simultaneous mixing and comes backed by a 1-year global care warranty. Whether for diners, cafes, or busy kitchens, this mixer is a reliable workhorse for professional drink preparation. Number 4. PSIIDAN Blenders for Kitchen, Smoothie Blender, Professional Countertop Blender. Experience professional blending at home with the PSIIDAN Smoothie Blender, a powerhouse built for performance and versatility. With 1,800 watts of pro-level power, this countertop blender crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients in seconds, delivering perfect smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more. The extra-large 68 OZ BPA-free pitcher is ideal for family meals or entertaining, allowing you to blend big batches without stopping. Designed as an all-in-one kitchen tool, it chops, grinds, purees, and blends, eliminating the need for extra appliances. Featuring multiple speeds, pulse control, and adjustable time settings, you'll enjoy total control for achieving any texture, from silky smooth to chunky and hearty. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components and a convenient self-cleaning function. Just add soap and water, blend, and rinse. Crafted for durability, this blender includes overheat protection for added safety and long-lasting performance. The PSIIDAN blender is your ultimate kitchen companion for healthy living, easy prep, and delicious results every time. Number 5. Cuisinart Smartpower Duet Blender Food Processor. 3-cup brushed chrome. The Cuisinart Smartpower Duet Blender Food Processor in sleek brushed chrome is your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. Featuring a 500-watt motor, this versatile appliance blends, purees, chops, mixes, and even crushes ice with ease. No liquid needed. The 7-speed touchpad controls with LED indicators make operations simple, while the 48-ounce glass blender jar and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades ensure smooth, consistent results every time. This smart system includes a 3-cup food processor attachment with a feed tube, slicing or shredding disc, and chopping blade. Perfect for prepping everything from salsas to dough. Built with a die-cast metal housing, it combines durability with style. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe removable parts, and the removable 2-ounce measuring cap makes accurate mixing effortless. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, sauces, or meal ingredients, the Cuisinart Smartpower Duet saves time and space while delivering top-tier performance. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, it's a BPA-free kitchen essential built to handle it all. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.